Hello guys, good day. For today's video, so our topic is the plane geometry. So plane geometry, we have triangles. So a polygon having three sides. So sa triangle, meron tayong right triangle, which is a triangle having one right angle. So 90 degrees yung isa niyang angle. So formula ng ating triangle is area is equals to 1/2 base times height. So ang pwede natin magamit dito is a Pythagorean theorem. C squared is equals to A squared plus B squared. So meron din tayong isosceles triangle, a triangle having two equal sides. So para makompute natin yung area ng isosceles triangle, pwede tayong gumamit ng scissors rule or 1/2 x times y sin theta. Or yung theta natin is ito po yung tinutukoy ng theta dyan. Theta rin to. Then, pwede ring 1/2 x squared sin beta, where yung beta is ito po yan. So, meron tayong equilateral triangle. So, it's triangle having three equal sides. So, ang angle niyan, interior angle is 60 degrees. 60 degrees lahat yan. So, ang formula niya, pwede tayong gumamit ng scissors rule, 1/2 x squared sin 60. Okay? Next, we have circles. It's a plane closed curve, all points of which are at the same distance from point within called the center. So, meron tayong inscribed circle. So, pag sinabing inscribed, so yung circle is nasa loob siya ng isang polygon or triangle. A circle is inscribed in a polygon when the sides of the polygon are tangent to it. So, area po ng triangle natin is 1/2. Area is radius times S, where yung S is the semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C over 2. Okay? So, yun po yung formula kapag naka-inscribe po yung ating circle. So, kapag na-circumscribe naman, a circle is circumscribed about a polygon when it passes through the vertices of the polygon. So, ang formula po ng triangle, area of a triangle is ABC over 4R, where yung A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Then yung R is the radius of the triangle, of the circle. Okay? Alam niyo na pinagkaiba ng inscribed circle sa circumscribed circle. So, ang formula ng area ng ating circle is pi over 4d squared in terms of diameter. Kapag in terms of radius naman is pi r squared. So, circumference is 2 pi r or pi d. So, meron din tayong tinatawag na inscribed circle, where yung inscribed circle is outside the triangle if it is tangent to one side and the other two sides prolonged. So, ganun po yung tsura niya. So, nakatangent yung dalawang sides, ay yung isang side. So, ang area po ng triangle natin is, yung triangle ABC is R times S minus A, where yung S, again, is the semi-perimeter. A plus B plus C over 2. Next, in center. The bisectors of the three angles of the triangle meet at a common point called the in center, which is equidistant from the three sides of the triangle. When we say equidistant, so equal yung distance niya from sides ng ating triangles. Okay? Next. So, meron din tayong circumcenter. The perpendicular bisectors of the sides of a triangle pass through a common point called circumcenter, which is equidistant from three vertices of the triangle. So, next, the inscribed angle. Inscribed angle is an angle whose vertex is a point on the circle and whose sides are chords. So, ito po yung mga chords natin. And dito chords. And the largest chords or the longest chord ng isang circle is the diameter. Then, a center angle is an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle and whose sides are radii. So, ito po yan. Ito yung ating central angle, beta. The inscribed angle is the measured by 1/2 of the central angle. Okay, tandaan nyo po yan. So, yung inscribed angle natin, yung kalahati niya is the inscribed angle. Okay? So, Ptolemy's theorem, a product of the segments of the chord intersecting each other are equal. So, sabi ni Ptolemy, yung yung product ni product AB is equals to CD. So, magagamit nyo po yan. So, ito naman, if a tangent and secant are drawn to a circle from same point, the tangent is a main proportional between the intersecant and its external segment. Means, PA squared is equals to PB times PC. So, PA times PA, ito yan, is equals to PB, yung length nito hanggang dito, times PC. Ito ba? Next. So, ito rin yan, yung kanina. So, ang pinagkaiba nung kanina is nakatangent siya. Ito, nakasecant siya parehas. So, ibig sabihin, PA times PB is equals to PC times PD. Next, ito, cyclic quadrilateral. So, sa cyclic quadrilateral, so, nasa loob po yung ating quadrilateral. So, mamaya pag-uusapan natin ano ba si quadrilateral. So, ang theorem dito, AC, yung A, side A times side C, plus BD is equals to ng diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Okay? So, speaking of the quadrilateral, it's a polygon with 4 sides. So, ang formula po ng ating quadrilateral is 1/2 D1 times D2 sin theta. Where yung theta is the sum po ng dalawang opposite angle divided by 2. Pwedeng A plus C divided by 2 or B plus D divided by 2. Then yung S is the semi-perimeter ulit. So, ito yung formula. Pwede natin gamitin ito. Depende sa given. Then, pwede rin ito. Ito yung tinatawag na Brahma-Gupta's formula. Square root ng S minus A times S minus B times S minus C times S minus D minus ABCD cosine squared theta. So, kung gusto nyo pong malaman yung shortcut dito sa calculator, pwede nyo po panoorin sa aking YouTube channel. Nandun, na-upload ko na po yung video about dyan. So, trapezoid is a quadrilateral, two and only two sides of each are parallel. So, nakaparallel sa A kay B. So, ang formula ng ating trapezoid is average na A and B, A plus B over 2 times altitude o yung height. Next, quadrilateral ulit. Parallelogram is a quadrilateral, the opposite sides if which are parallel. So, ang formula niya is, area niya is 1/2 D1 times D2 sin theta. Yung theta, again, is the average ng ating opposite angle. A plus C over 2 or B plus D divided by 2. So, rhombus is a parallelogram with equal sides are oblique angles. When say oblique angles, it's greater than 90 degrees. So, ang formula niya is 1/2 D1 times D2. Next, polygons. It is a plane figure that is described by a finite number of straight line segments connected to form a closed polygonal chain or a polygonal circuit. The bounded plane region, the bounding circuit, or the two together may be called a polygon. So, marami tayong polygons. So, when we have 3 sides, it is triangle. 4 sides, quadrilateral or tinatawag din tetragon or quadrangle. 5 sides, pentagon. 6 sides is hexagon. 7 sides, heptagon or septagon. 8 is octagon. 9, nonagon or enneagon. 10 sides are decagon. 11 sides and decagon. 12 sides, dodecagon. 15 sides, quadragon or pentadecagon. 16 sides is hexadecagon. 20 sides, icosagon. 1,000 sides is cheliagon. So, pwede nyo tingnan sa internet, marami pa yan. Sum of interior angles sa ating polygon is n minus 2 times 180 degrees, where yung n is the number of sides. Sum of exterior angles is automatic 360 degrees yan, kahit anong polygon. So, number of diagonals is n over 2 times n minus 3. Tandaan nyo, yung n po is number of sides. Minus po yan. So, ito yung plane curvilinear figures or circular sector. So, a circular sector is a portion of a circle enclosed between the two radii and an arc. So, yung pa pinakaiba. Pag sector, 2 radii and arc. Kapag segment naman, it's a portion of circle enclosed between chords and its arc. So, segment. So, ang formula po ng sector natin is area ng circle times yung interior angle, yung theta, over 360. Kasi sector niya yung kinocompute natin or part lang ng isang circle. Pag segment naman, so syempre area ng sector minus area ng triangle natin. So, para makakompute yung area ng triangle, pwede tayong gumamit ng scissors rule. So, depende sa given. O depende sa available na data. Okay? Try tayo ng mga problems sa geometry. What is the radius of the circle inscribed in an isosceles right triangle having an area of 162 square centimeter? So when we say inscribed, so circle is nasa loob po siya ng isosceles triangle. When we say isosceles triangle, so A is equals to B. Okay? So 1/2 niyan, ang area niyan is 1/2 A squared. So may circle tayo na naka-inscribe dyan. So makakompute natin yung A. So A is equals to B is 18 cm. So para makompute natin yung C, kailangan natin gumamit ng Pythagorean theorem. May napangumpute kasi sa atin is the radius. So kailangan natin si value ng C. So 18 squared of 2. Para na-compute na natin si C, compute natin yung semi-perimeter using kasi ang formula 'di ba ng triangle nga is R times S. So semi-perimeter niya is summation lang nung 3 sides over 2. So 30.728. Then input sa formula, substitute lang sa formula, makompute natin ang radius ng ating inscribed circle, 5.27 cm. So okay. Next. What is the area of the circle circumscribing an isosceles right triangle having an area of 200 square centimeter? So, kanina naka-inscribe yung ating circle. So, ngayon, circumscribing an isosceles right triangle. So, ibig sabihin, nasa labas si circle. Nasa loob. Naka-inscribe yung ating triangle. So, ito yung isosceles right triangle. Ibig sabihin, X. Yung AB is equals to AC. AB is equals to BC, I mean. So, yung AC is the diameter ng ating circle. Once kasi na meron tayong right triangle na naka-inscribe sa isang circle, automatic, yung angle na yan is 90 degrees. So, 90 degrees yan. Ang angle na yan. Then, yung longest side is the diameter. So, pwede natin makompute yung X. So, X is 20 cm. After natin makompute si X, pwede natin makompute si radius or si diameter using Pythagorean theorem. So, makompute natin si diameter is 20 squared of 2. Then, para makompute yung radius, divided by 2 lang yung diameter, is 10 squared of 2. Then, compute natin yung area ng ating circle. Pi r squared. So, makompute natin area is 628.32 square centimeter. Okay, next. Quadrilateral is inscribed in a circle such that one of its sides coincides with the diameter. If the other 3 sides measures 2 meter, 3 meters, and 4 meters, determine the diameter of the circle. So, meron tayong circle, then may naka-inscribe na quadrilateral. So, binigay yung 3 dimensions, 2, 3, and 4 meters. So, hinanap sa atin is the diameter. So, meron tayo itong tinatawag nating cyclic quadrilateral. So, meron tayo dyan kaninang theorem. So, AC plus BD is equal to D1 times D2. So, yan yun. Pwede natin yung magamit where yung A natin is 2 meters and C is 4 meters. So, 2 times 4 is 8 plus 3 times D plus D1 times D2. So, sabi ko kanina kapag yung isang side ng ating triangle is diameter ng circle, automatic right triangle yan ang mabubuo natin. So, ito right triangle to. Okay, gamitin natin ang Pythagorean theorem para makagawa tayo ng equation ni D1 at saka ni D2 in terms of diameter. So, ganito po yan. Pythagorean theorem, D squared, where yung D is the hypotenuse ng ating triangle. So, D1 is equal to square root ng D squared minus 16. So, ganun din yung isang triangle. So, D2 is equal to square root ng D squared minus 4. So, input natin sa formula o substitute natin sa D1 and D2. So, 8 plus 3D is equal to square root ng D squared minus 16 times square root ng D squared minus 4. So, masolve natin si D, 6.075 meters. Okay, next. Last problem. A goat is tied outside a triangular fenced garden at point A. The sides of the fence are AB equals to 8 meter, BC 9 meters, and CA 12 meters. If the rope with which the goat is tied is 14 meters, what the area over which the goat can graze outside the fence? So, sana naintindihan natin yung problem na drawing muna natin. So, meron tayong triangular lot, ABC, yung corner. So, meron daw, yung sukat nun is 8 meters, 9 meters, and 12 meters. So, may nakatali daw na goat doon sa point A. Yung haba ng tali is 14 meters. So, ibig sabihin, makakalampas pa si goat ng 2 meters doon sa point C. And sa point A naman, makakalampas pa siya ng 6 meters. Okay, kasi 40 meters yung haba ng kanyang tali. So, para makompute yung area niyan, so kailangan pala muna natin yung value ng mga angle, interior angle. Using cosine law, makakompute natin si angle A. So, actually, lahat yan makakompute natin using cosine law. A and B and C. So, makakompute natin si A is 48.59. So, para madali, ginamit ko na lang is sine law. So, sine law, diba, is A over sine A is equals to B over sine B is equals to C over sine C. So, makakompute natin si angle B. Ganon din si angle C. 89.60 and 41.81. Okay, pa na-compute natin yung mga interior angles. Solve natin yung area. Yung maabot ng goat is a sector of a circle or circular sector. So, ang angle niya lang is ito, interior angle niya. Then, area 1. So, area 2, mahagip niya pa yung part na yon. So, area 3. Yon. So, para makompute natin yung total area, gamitin natin ang formula ng circular sector. Is equals to pi r squared times theta over 360. So, area 1 is pi r squared. Ang kanyang diameter is 14 squared. 360 minus 48. Ito po yan yung value niyan. 360 degrees, diba ang isang revolution, diba? Bawasan natin ng 48.59 yung angle A. So, makakompute natin. Area 1 is 532.645 meters squared. Yan, area 2, pi r squared, yung radius nito is 6 meter lang. So, interior angle niya is 180 minus 89.6. So, makakompute natin. Area 2 is 28.399 meters squared. Then, area 3, pi r squared, yung radius niya is 2 meters. Yung interior angle niya, ito po yan. So, 180 minus 41.81, it is the angle C. Yes. Area 3 po to, area 3. Area 3 na to. So, masolve natin dyan is 4.824. So, ipag-plus na lang natin yung mga area. So, makakompute nating area is 565.868 meters squared. Okay? Sana naintindihan. So, gusto ko i-try nyo itong problem na to. Problem for practice. A regular hexagon having an area of 93.53 centimeters squared is inscribed in a circle. Find the area of the regular octagon that will circumscribe this circle. So, madali lang yan. Meron tayong hexagon. Diba? Sa loob ng isang circle. Then, compute doon natin yung area ng octagon na mag-circumscribe doon sa circle. Okay? Number 2, a circle whose area is 452 centimeters squared is cut into segment by a chord whose distance from the center is 6 cm. Find the area of the larger segment. So, may chord lang na 6 meter from the center. Kukumpute nyo lang yung area ng larger segment. Ang ganyan lang yan. Then, may chord. Then, kumputin po nyo yung area nitong part na to. Okay? Next. Problem 3. The two circles are concentric. The chord of the bigger circle is tangent to the smaller circle. 10 cm. What is the area outside the smaller but inside the circle? So, ganyan lang yan. May malaking circle, then may maliit na circle. Then, nakatangent daw doon sa yan. 10 meters daw ito. 10 meters yung chord. Tama ba? Okay. Solve nyo po yung area nung parang donut. Area nung nakalabas sa circle na maliit pero nasa loob ng circle na malaki. So, okay. Thank you. Sana nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. At sana may natutunan sa plane geometry. So, thank you.